welcome to the Ultimaker Cura 4.3 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use it and show you the basics of how you pretty much import a 3D file into this application. So, what you want to go ahead and do first of all is click up in here the little file icon up here in the upper left hand corner. So you click that and it should open up your 3D objects area, and this is my 3D file that I'm going to import. You might have a specific file you want to import, but I'm importing this file. Alright, so now it's imported. So we can actually go ahead and we can click the little slice button down here, and what that will say is processing. You can slice it and you can process it, and it will show you the layers of how it builds up on the 3D printer. So right now, it is almost done, and here you go. It's 9 hours and 21 minutes till finish time on the 3D printer. You can go ahead and preview it if you want. And what this will do is it will, you can also click Save to File right here if you want. And as you can see, the blue is the support material, and the red is the shell. So let's go ahead and do the little scroll thing on the right hand corner. What this will do is it will show you the layers of how it builds. It builds all the support material first, then builds the object. So this is how you pretty much slice the object. If you want to change how the shell will build and how the lines will accumulate onto the object, you want to go ahead and change the wall or wall line count or thickness. If you want the shell to be hard, you want to change the infill density to about 20%. If you don't want it to be hard and you want it to be really light, I suggest you go with 10%. 10% infill density is mainly if you want it to be super light. And then there's a bunch of other things you can choose down here, like travel speed or how it travels on the 3D printing machine, on how it draws the lines and stuff, and then cooling on how much fan speed there is on the 3D printer when it is 3D printing out your object. So that's mainly this area. There are 3 stages up above here: prepare, preview, and monitor. Monitor is when you have a connected printer with a camera, and if you don't have a connected printer with a camera, then you will not be able to monitor your print. Here in the prepare area, you can select your printer, select your filament, and change your settings as I showed below. Now, this is mainly a simple tutorial for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and maybe consider subscribing to the TheRoughRanger channel. Until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video.
Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video.